Okay, good morning. So this is microscopic examination of two slides taken from the metal container, the upper one. And this is the one that I used recently for the last couple of days for all the burnings. You know, when I use it for the transmissions and other courses of the earth, but mostly I think the broadcasting. It was initially filled with stuff from the bottom container, the ones that we used before I kind of added the two new ones. I mean, this one and this one. And I've added many times oil and replenished it many times with oil and wax because it's always I use it for the many burning. And what I want to see now is, so I burn it again, I bleach it again, so it will not be too solid just now. And then I took two samples and we'll watch it right now. See if even after all the dilutions, of adding more and more, additional oil and wax, we still have healthy amount of Neros. I added a little bit of other material as well, but it's not that important right now. I should just say that this is not liquid. It was liquid initially, but after all the burnings and all the addition of oil and wax, it's now very, very solid. So both the slides are very thick, so we might not be able to see anything or not be able to focus. If this is the case, I haven't watched a slide before, I'm doing it with you, first watch. So if it will turn out to be too thick and we cannot focus or we cannot see anything, I'll try to burn it again, and this time maybe add a little bit of oil and wait until it thoroughly burns, and then take a thinner kind of sample. This is how it looks, by the way. See, it's already solidified, even though it was just burning 2 minutes ago, but it's already pretty solid. Okay. Hopefully we'll be able to see something, even though it's pretty thick, like both slides. So let's just a second. Just a second. Okay, just clean my hand a little bit. So now, this table is too full, I try to use this one. The cabinet, even though it's much less of convenient, but we'll see what we can do. Just a second. The zombies are, as usual, they are misbehaving, but you should not, it's the usual stuff. Okay. The focus is possible in 64, but we don't see Neros yet. Let's try to zoom in here. This looks like, contoured mirrors. Typical to after a fire. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe it's not true. I don't know. Let's get back to 64. I don't know why the neighbors, the zombies in the neighborhood are doing all that noise. But this is, by now this is kind of like, it's pretty much standard in almost every video. Part of the soundtrack. So no neos, maybe just bad luck, maybe like layers from the beneath that are not exposed to the fire are more lucky. I don't know. I'm not sure. So let's try to take a look at the other slide, the second one, maybe different results. You can see these are very thick slides. It's difficult to focus, so it's a good, there is some good chance that they are just in between the layers, we need the better sample, that's for sure. Which means thinner. So maybe I'll try to take thinner kind of like a sample. It seems to be just too heavy. This is even heavier than the other one. Okay, so I'll try to take other samples more appropriate to microscopic work. And I'll do it later.